Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a quick milkshake. To start, you'll need just a few key ingredients. Grab about 2 cups of your favorite ice cream, half a cup of cold milk, and any flavorings you desire, like chocolate syrup or fruit. Using a good blender is crucial for a smooth texture, so make sure it's ready to go. Keeping everything chilled helps achieve that perfect, thick consistency. Now let's get blending. Carefully add your ice cream, milk, and any chosen flavorings into your blender. Start blending on a low speed to break down the ice cream, then gradually increase to high. Blend for about 30 seconds or until the mixture is completely smooth and creamy. If ingredients stick to the sides, simply pause and scrape them down with a spatula before continuing. The best part about milkshakes is customizing them to your taste. Feel free to add about 1/4 cup of fresh fruit, a drizzle of chocolate, or even some crushed cookies for extra flavor and texture. Once blended, pour your creation into a tall glass. For a truly special treat, top it off with whipped cream, colorful sprinkles, or a classic maraschino cherry. Get creative and enjoy your unique blend. Your delicious, quick milkshake is now ready to enjoy. Pour it into a tall glass right away to savor its cold, creamy goodness. A wide straw is perfect for thicker shakes, allowing you to enjoy every last drop. Remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers that make meal prep a breeze, along with other great deals. Thanks for watching and happy blending.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.